Hello everyone, I'm Anna and welcome to my channel Everything Enchanting.
As the title suggests, today I'm reviewing Innisfree Bija Travel Mask, which is enriched with Torreya seed extract and 2% salicylic acid. To know how to use this mask, its ingredients and performance details, keep watching. This wash of mask, formulated with Torreya seed oil and high salicylic acid content, soothes troubled areas and leaves the skin clean. It contains of green calamine, which helps to soothe and relieve troubled or sensitive skin. Ingredients of Innisfree Bija Mask: water, propanediol, kaolin, glycerin, silica, titanium dioxide, polyvinyl alcohol, cetyl ethyl hexanoate, hydrogenated polybentonite, salicylic acid, glyceryl stearate, citral alcohol, tromethamine, polysorbate 60, stearic acid, Torreya nucifera seed oil, Opuntia coccinellifera fruit extract, Camellia japonica leaf extract, Cetrus ansjouf peel extract, Camellia sinensis leaf extract, orchid extract, hydrogenated vegetable oil, palmitic acid, PEG 100, stearate, sorbitan stearate, xanthan gum, ethyl hexyl glycerin, chromium oxide greens, disodium EDTA. So what's my take on this Innisfree mask? I have a combination and dehydrated skin which is sensitive and acne prone as well. So when I was buying some Korean sheet mask from the Innisfree store in Hong Kong, the sale assistant insisted me to try out this face mask that targets acne prone skin. My skin was going through a terrible acne phase at that time, and hence I accepted her suggestion and purchased this Innisfree wash of mask. The product packaging and texture. This Bija Travel mask from Innisfree comes in a nice pastel green colored tube packaging with a flip top cap. The packaging has all the necessary product related details. Also, the product is easy to carry around and easy to use. The face mask is pastel green colored and has a thick consistency. It has such a pleasant aroma. How I use this face pack. As per the instruction, after cleansing my skin, I used to smooth it over the entire face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. I used to leave it on for 15 minutes and then I would gently massage my skin with fingers and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. I used it 1 to 2 times a week. So what it does and its performance details. As I mentioned earlier, this Is2 Korean face pack can be your travel companion. Yes, I have traveled with this mask and have used it whenever I needed to pamper and treat my skin during my vacay. I have used it in 2 ways. I either applied it on all over my face and neck, avoiding eyes and lips, or at times I used it as a spot treatment to treat the troubled area. In both cases, results were satisfactory. Upon application, this trouble mask imparts a cooling sensation to the skin. I would keep it for about 15 minutes until it got dried. Then with the help of lukewarm water, I used to massage my skin gently and wipe off the mask. As Innisfree Bija Trouble mask is a clay-based face mask, washing it off is a daunting task, I tell you. Post-wash, my skin would feel so refreshing, soothing and clean. I love its fresh spicy aroma. This Innisfree wash of clay face mask is blended with a mixture of both goody and icky ingredients. It is a bad alcohol free mask so it doesn't dry out the skin. I guess I expected way too much from this face mask as it claims to help control blemish for clear skin. Besides, the store assistant convinced me that it will help with my acne issues. However, I am not highly impressed with this product. Innisfree Trouble Mask, no doubt, provides you with clean and fresh soothing skin, but when it comes to reducing the blemishes or scarring, it takes a lot of time to show the result. In my case, it could neither prevent the formation of new blemishes or spots nor could diminish the existing scars. And finally, the prescribed medicines and homemade DIYs came to my rescue. I use this mask solely to soothe the troubled areas of my skin. I am yet to finish this mask, but unfortunately it got expired this year. So what are the things I liked about Innisfree Bija Trouble mask? It's easy to use, soothes and calms acne. A little amount goes a long way, has pleasant fragrance, minimizes the appearance of pores, acts as a purifying, exfoliating, and clarifying face mask, non-drying, controls oil to an extent, affordable. And what are the things I disliked about Innisfree Bija mask? It's not easy to wash off the mask. Blemish controlling power is not that effective. It contains fragrance. I would give it 4 stars out of 5. Overall, Innisfree vegetable mask with Toria seed extract, salicylic acid and green calamine is a non-drying face mask that you can use to treat your skin issues like acne and blemishes. It takes time to show the result but works great as an exfoliating and purifying mask. Innisfree Bija Trouble Clay Face Pack gently removes the dirt and pore clogging oils without drying out your skin. I used it as a normal mask and at times as a spot treatment mask to treat the inflammable acne. If you are looking for something new related to clay-based face mask, especially for acne and blemishes, then give it a shot. Have you tried this product? Do let us know in the comment section below.
I hope you found the review helpful, and if you like the content, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel.